In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I made $197,354 in commissions with the Fiverr affiliate program using free YouTube traffic. These beginner-friendly strategies are easy to follow and proven to work. Stay tuned because by the end of the video, you will get everything you need to start making money with the Fiverr affiliates and YouTube today. I made this commission in the last year, okay? And every single month I'm making over $15,000 per month, and just last month I made $17,975 in commissions. This is my invoice and it's paid, as you can see over here. So anyway, for people who want to start making money with Fiverr affiliate marketing, step number one, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one, okay? Step number one, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one, as you can see. So what you need to do, you just need to go to Google and search for Fiverr like this. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this. Go to company and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commissions. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. Like I said, you can scroll down to get idea and get more information about the service. For example, if a person buys service from your affiliate link, you will earn commissions. If this person will keep buying more services for the next 12 months, you will make commission from every transaction this person will make on Fiverr, okay? So anyway, you will just need to click here on join now, and here you go. As you can see guys, the sign up process is super easy and simple. You just need to put your first name, last name, email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. If you have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can say no. Choose your country and choose your language. If you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, answer next few questions. The sign up process is super simple and easy. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So what you need to do next is you need to choose good services that you will start promoting on YouTube to earn commissions. So how we can find good services? You just need to go and open your YouTube homepage. Why we choose YouTube first? Because YouTube, you guys don't know the potential of YouTube. YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. Google is number one, YouTube is number two, and you can get so much traffic from YouTube. Do you see this? 29 billion monthly visitors and millions of people every single day searching on YouTube for specific topics, services, products, and a lot of people are promoting their product, their businesses, their services, and so much more on YouTube, and they are making crazy money from this platform YouTube. And for me, YouTube is the best traffic source for me, okay? So here is what you will do. For example, you just need to click, so just click here on the search and ask question. For example, I will ask how to, let's say, how to edit YouTube, how to edit YouTube videos. And here you go. You just need to ask question and YouTube will give you a report search prediction. YouTube will give you the topics that people are searching for. People are searching for how to edit YouTube videos on your phone, how to edit YouTube videos on CapCut, how to edit YouTube videos on laptop. Those people who are searching for this topic, they will be interested to buy this service. So let me show you. Go back to your home page on Fiverr, click on the search for editing, video editing, okay? Search for video editing. Video editing, this one, okay? And here you go. You will find a lot of people here who provide this service on Fiverr. You see? What you need to do is you need to choose good sellers, and how we can choose good sellers is by choosing sellers that has levels like top rated sellers, level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. Okay, so this service will a lot of people on YouTube will be interested to buy video editing. They will be interested to edit their videos, to make their videos more engaging and more professional, to get more views. So it's win-win. Those people will get more views, they will grow their YouTube channels using video editing services, and for you, you will earn commission. So the traffic is already there and your audience is already there on YouTube. You just need to start and you just need to promote this service on YouTube. Okay, so let's go back to this go back to this Fiverr page. Okay, about video editing. If you scroll down, like I said, you have a lot of people here who provide this service. So what you need to do, you need to choose good sellers. So let's choose one of those sellers. For example, I'm gonna choose like this one. You guys can see this one. This one is top rated seller and his service starting from $55, which is good. Okay, or we can choose, let me see, we can choose this one is good. You guys can see this one has over 1,000 reviews, so this one is good. This one is better than this one, so I'm gonna choose this one. And he provide fast delivery. He can edit videos in 24 hours. This is the fast delivery. This is really good. I will click on this one, click on this service. You will be directly in this seller profile page. Do you guys can see over 2,000 reviews, over 2,000 people paid for this service. Which people will buy this one? Which people are buying those services? Of course, people who has YouTube channels, like those people who search for how to edit YouTube videos, because they are searching for this topic. They want to edit their YouTube videos to get more views. Okay, so what you will do next, go back to this seller profile page and you just need to copy the link of this seller, copy the profile link of this seller, and go back to your Fiverr affiliates account and click over here. You have dashboard, marketing tools, reports. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on deep link, put this seller profile link here and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you will do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Before we do that, we will go back to this seller profile page. Let's check the video. The seller is providing good video. Hey, I'd like you to meet a young man named Ted. So you see, this seller is explaining to people how he can edit their videos and showing how he can help people grow their YouTube channels. You see this? This is an example of editing. Okay, so what you will do, double click on the video and click on save video. Save this video to your laptop. Click on save here and here you go. The video will be saved to your laptop. What you will do next, you will go to Google and search for Canva. Okay, the sign up process is super easy and it's for free. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click on video and click over here on YouTube video. Okay, you will be directly in this page. Click over here on upload, click on upload file and upload the video that you download from Fiverr, this one about video editing. Click on open and here you go. The video will be uploaded to your Canva like this. Click on your video and your video will be over here. So let me show you like this. Click on this 3 points and scroll down, click on set the video as background and here you go. Click on text. Okay, scroll down, choose which style of text you want to use for this video. I'm going to use this one. Just make sure to use a good text that looks clear. I will delete the second one and I will decrease the font size of this text and I will put this text here. Double click and write this sentence: check link in my description. Okay, check link in my description. People who will watch this video, who want to edit their YouTube videos, who want to hire a professional video editor, they will see this check link in my description. We will put our affiliate link in our YouTube description. click on elements, and what you will do next, so let me show you. Scroll down and go over here to ships and choose this one, and put this ship behind your text to make your text looks clear and good, like this. Super easy. Okay, and here you go. You see, I'm gonna make it like this, and here you go. So what you will do next, just click on share and click on download, and this video will be downloading to your laptop. Go to your YouTube channel and upload the video. Create a YouTube channel, it's for free. Put this title for your video, how to edit YouTube videos, exactly like this. Use this keyword because you need to focus on getting traffic from YouTube search. You will not wait for YouTube to start pushing your videos or to start recommending your videos. No, you will start focusing, optimize your videos, use good SEO to rank your videos high in the search results so you can get traffic from YouTube search. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you just started this business and you have new account, you can't see this option Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one instead, Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here and go back to your YouTube channel and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description. And also upload this video as Creative Commons, so you will not get any copyright issue with YouTube. Also, if you can make your own content, this will be better. If you can create your own content that you can use to promote those services on YouTube, this will be very helpful for you to start getting commissions, consistent commissions every single day. Okay, this is exactly how we can start Fiverr affiliate marketing business with using YouTube, free traffic from YouTube. You guys need to know that YouTube is now, like, you should see, if you go to your YouTube homepage, you will see a lot of small YouTube channels in your homepage, because YouTube starts pushing those small YouTube channels. And YouTube now is, the algorithm has changed and it's really in easy mode right now. I don't know how this algorithm will stay working like this, because the algorithm changed every month and every year. But right now what I know is it's super easy to post a video and start getting views on YouTube. Okay, it's not like last year's. Right now it's super easy. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. For people who are asking, do you have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. If you guys are interested, you can reach out to me in my email address and I will get back to you. Inside my course, you will get access to all my profitable services that I'm promoting, how you can create content that you can use to promote your affiliate links on YouTube. I'm not using just YouTube, I'm using also Pinterest, I'm using TikTok, Instagram, and so much more. And you will get access to all of this, okay? Plus, you will get my support with my team to answer all your questions and follow up with you if you didn't understand something or if you are facing any problems, and so much more. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, like I said, just leave it in the comments and see you in my next videos.